In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find Webflow through a Google search, open your site from the dashboard, access the code block in the designer, and use the code editor to add a background video that spans the full width or sits neatly inside a section. Start by opening your browser and searching for Webflow on Google. This is a fast, reliable way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. Click through to Webflow, sign in if prompted, and make sure you're in the correct workspace so you can see your projects. Using Google keeps things simple and helps you avoid mistyping a URL. Once you're signed in, head to your dashboard and locate the project you want to update. Click View Site to open the published or staging version in a new tab. Keeping this tab open is handy for quick checks later. It gives you a clear picture of how things look outside the designer, so you can compare design changes with the live output as you work. Now switch to the designer for that same project. Find and click on the code block, sometimes called the embed element, within the area where you want your background video to appear. If you already have a section laid out for it, select the code block inside that section. Placing the code block exactly where you want the video to live is important, because the video will inherit the context and sizing of that section or container. With the code block selected, open the code editor. This is where you'll paste lightweight HTML and optional CSS to create a background video. Use a compressed MP4 for broad compatibility, and include attributes like autoplay, muted, and loop to ensure it starts automatically without sound and repeats smoothly. For full-width backgrounds, make the video fill its parent by setting it to cover and pinning it behind your content. Conceptually, think of it as stretching edge to edge while preserving the subject with a cover fit. For a section-only background, keep the video inside that section's bounds and use the section's height and padding to control how much is visible. Keep performance in mind. Shorter clips with efficient compression load faster and feel smoother. Add a poster or fallback image so there's a graceful display while the video loads, or on devices that block autoplay. When you're done, save the code, then preview in the designer and refresh your site tab to confirm everything looks crisp and responsive across breakpoints. If needed, tweak sizing or positioning and test again until the motion complements your content without distracting from it.